Hello everyone and welcome to the latest episode of Pure Nature Care. As you are aware, the pleasant and bright season of summer is just around the corner. However, if you don't take the proper precautions while having fun outside, this season can also result in sunburn and tanning. Sunburn is an excessive burn brought on by prolonged exposure to sunshine as opposed to sun tanning, which is the feeling that your skin has become darker or browned. It is more significant. On our channel, you may find a comprehensive solution to sun tanning, along with the preventative measures you should take. Today I'm going to share an effective natural remedy to prevent as well as to treat sunburn. Sunburn can cause red, itchy, and painful skin. It can also lead to blisters. Prolonged exposure to sun on a daily basis increases the risk of wrinkle, dark spot, and even skin cancer. So let's begin with some simple, day-to-day, highly effective remedies. Subscribe our channel if you like these kind of videos and press the bell icon to stay updated. So here are recommended methods. First, turmeric and sandalwood. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory and therapeutic effect. Sandalwood, on the other hand, contains natural oil that helps to clear the skin and reveal its natural radiance. Mix equal amount of sandalwood and turmeric powder. Take rose water to make a paste. Apply this paste on an affected area and then wash it with cool water. Before we move towards second method, if you like these kind of videos, then subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to stay updated. Now note down the second method. Use juice and buttermilk. The skin lightening benefits of tomato juice are known, whereas buttermilk reduction of spots. Combine 2 tablespoons full of tomato juice and 4 tablespoons full of buttermilk. Using a cotton ball, apply this on the affected area. Allow it to dry and stay for half an hour and then wash it down. Third, calamine powder. Calamine lotion soothes skin itching and peeling caused by sunburn. Cucumber juice also has a tremendous calming effect when applied to the affected area of the skin. Make a paste of calamine powder and a cucumber juice. This would be a calamine lotion, and now apply this to the sunburn area. This provides instant skin relief. Aloe vera gel is another natural ingredient that works wonders for suntan. We have already given the packs for sunburn, but understand, prevention is always better than cure. Always protect yourself with sunscreen and then move out. Apply this excellent homemade sunscreen. Take 2 tablespoons full of raw milk. Add juice of lemon. Mix it and apply over the exposed area with cotton. Let it stay and dry. The milk will get absorbed in the skin. This will act as a barrier to protect you from the sun. If you have any other remedies, then share it with us in comment section. Now let us learn some basic do's and don'ts to prevent summer damage. Protect yourself by wearing sunscreen and drinking plenty of water. If you avoid drinking water, you will get dehydrated, and your skin also will get affected. Eat plenty of fresh fruits, salads, and leafy vegetables, especially those who have water content to avoid dehydration. Understand one thing very clearly. Avoid intense exercise during hot summer. At least don't exercise at the noon time from 10 o'clock till 4 o'clock. You should exercise but in cool environment. Wear sunglasses or scarf or take an umbrella to protect your face and hands. All of these easy sunburn prevention strategies can keep you safe. So be conscious of the safety precautions and shield yourself from the damaging and intense sun. You ought to relish the summer. Avoid hiding inside the house, but use caution anyway. Do not take it personally if you burn or suntan. Simply take the necessary precautions, look out for yourself, and enjoy every type of weather. Before you leave, if you enjoyed the video, click the like button and tell your friends about it. Enjoy this hot sun that is so much useful in life. Take care and be healthy.